The 2002 Ford Excursion. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup, with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, third row seat. Come see the car for yourself.